Hello Geometry World. This is a video of example 2 for Geometry Topic 2 Lesson 4. Theorem 2-13. Two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Any two vertical lines are parallel. I think we already discussed in the previous section if they have the same slopes and they're parallel. They just want to also state that two vertical lines, because they don't have a slope, it's undefined, they are also parallel. Moving on. Check parallelism. Tough to say. Are lines K and N parallel? K is this one here, and line N is this one here. Are they parallel? Yeah, they look parallel, but we should actually, since it's especially because it's on like graph paper, let's find out the slopes of those. Okay, find the slope through line K. They notice that K passed through -2, 2, that's this point right here, and through 2, -3. So they applied the slope formula. If you remember the slope formula, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, or you could do the opposite. As long as you start with the same point, that's what the common area is that they're showing up. Be sure that the first numbers in both subtraction expressions are the coordinates of the same point. Sometimes people flip-flop them. You don't want to flip-flop them. So the y values, -3 minus 2 and 2 minus -2 comes up. Be careful of the negatives, like minus and negative. You want to be comfortable with that. -3 minus 2 is -5. 2 minus -2 is +4, so we have a slope of -5/4. That's for line K. Let's do the same thing for N. See if you can notice where N goes through. A couple points. See if you pick the same one that the book did. They went with 1, 2, this point right here, and 4, -2. Those are 2 points that it goes through. Then they calculated the slope. -2 minus 2 is -4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So the slope of N is -4/3. Oh, not parallel. I guess I can see that they're kind of getting closer over here, so I guess I should have noticed. But you always want to back it up with the mathematics. We found the slopes, and they are not parallel. They don't have the same slope, so they're not parallel. All right. Time for you to try one on your own. M and Q. Are M and Q parallel? Why don't I expand that out first so you have a better diagram to pause on so you can see where the lines cross. Now you can pause it and calculate the slopes and then come back and see what you come up with. Okay? They didn't show their work on this, so I'm going to minimize it so I can still get this to fit. I'm going to find the slope of M. I think it goes through this point here, which is at -4, 3. And up here, it goes through this one, which is -1, 4. And I'm not going to do it with the slope. Since I have graph paper, I'm just going to count the ups and overs, if you know what I mean. The change in y is up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. So I'm getting 1/3 is the slope of line M. I'm going to write that down before I forget. Let me do the same thing for Q. Let me find 2 points. Oh, it looks like it goes through that one. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, I guess that one there. So I'm going to use those 2 points. Up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, if it was 2 and 6, it would have worked. Let me double check that. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I'm getting 2/5. So 1/3 and 2/5. I'm saying no, they're not the same, so they're not parallel. The book says no, they're not parallel. Didn't tell you what the slopes are, but I think we did the math right. All right, you're ready, believe it or not, to do these following problems. Quite a few of them. There you go. Do a screenshot of that because the video is going to end soon. Have a great day.